Guys, Brad Niccum here, Nest Mortgage Group. Happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend or enjoying these warm days, better than the cold days we had this weekend. My wife and I actually spent 3 days down at Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, visiting our son Logan, who works at Dollywood, which is about to open soon, so his hours are going to get crazy. So it was great to spend a little time with him, but it is nice to be back at my desk working here. I have attached a rate sheet to this email, giving you an idea where rates stand compared to the last one I sent out. We've seen a little bit of movement, but not a lot in the positive direction. Hopefully that changes soon. And one thing that should be on the top of our minds is it's tax refund time. Tax refunds are a great way for our customers to come up with down payment or help cover a little more down payment. I have a couple customers in my pipeline right now with the accepted purchase agreements that either have received or are about to receive their tax refund. The average tax refund is about $2,000, so that's a helpful chunk of money, especially for our first-time home buyers. I also want to say I'm still surprised at how many clients and realtors still look at me and think that you have to have 20% down to purchase a home. I've been in the business since 1997, and you have not needed 20% down all the way back to when I, was in the business. The 20% down is just to avoid PMI. PMI is actually invented for the customer to not have to put down 20%. So any conventional loan can go as low as 3% down for a first-time home buyer and then 5% down for everybody else. So the 20% down is not a requirement to purchase a home with a conventional loan because PMI is available. And a lot of people have a hatred for PMI, which I really don't understand because PMI is so inexpensive when you look at what the actual cost percentages for a client. Somebody with high credit scores and a good down payment and a low debt to income ratio, they may pay only like 2.25% for PMI. And PMI is very easy to get rid of. It goes away automatically when you pay your loan down to 78% loan to value. And if your house has grown in value, you always can call the bank and ask them to do an evaluation of your value to see if your home is appreciated enough to remove your PMI. If it has, they remove it. It's really simple. So don't need 20% down. PMI is not a bad guy. We do have a busy busy news week this week, especially with PCE, which comes out on Thursday. This is a personal consumption expenditure report. It is the Fed's favorite measure of inflation, and it follows a hotter than expected CPI and PPI from last week. The market is expecting a headline PCE to decline from 2.6 to 2.4 and the core to decline from 2.9 to 2.8 or 2.7. Since the last few reports have come out higher than expected, I'm not giving you my thoughts on this one. Last thing I want to touch before we go is a little program called List Reports that we're offering to our agents. It's a free service for the real estate agent. And it really has some great marketing tools for all of your new listings. It has some great shareables for your social media to help keep you up with that social media. And one of the things that I've been doing is whenever I have an agent get a new listing, I take the marketing report and list reports, create a nice post onto my Facebook page, tag them in it as well, and it helps you get a little more exposure for your new listings. So if you don't know about list reports, if you're not using it, you have some questions, reach out and give me a call. Nest Mortgage Group, we work really hard on being super efficient to make the transaction go amazingly smooth every time. Basic underwriting times for automated underwriting approvals is 24 hours. Manuals are taking a little bit longer, but that's normal. There's a few more documentations that we need to get that manual underwrite done. Closing loans, all loan types in less than 30 days. Just did an FHA in 17 days with appraisal. USDA loans under 30 days, so everything's moving really fast. And if you have a buyer that needs pre-approved, whether day, night, weekend, evening, whatever, give me a call. I love helping first-time home buyers get into a house. So if you have any questions or you need a deal to move quick, give us a call. I look forward to talking to y'all soon. Thanks. Have a great day.